At a major petrochemical plant in Spain, one lip seal was costing the business hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. It failed every month, leaking oil from an extruder gearbox so large a crane was needed just to open it. Each breakdown cost $34,500 and took the company's engineers 5 days to repair. That's $415,000 every year just to keep the machine running. AESSEAL had a solution. The LabTecta 66RDS, the only radially divided bearing protector with static sealing as standard. Engineered for reliability and built for heavy-duty applications. From monthly failures to more than 2 years of flawless protection, 26 breakdowns avoided, and total savings of $900,000. When downtime isn't an option, LabTecta delivers. AESSEAL, saving time, saving money, and securing performance.